Now, for small businesses and customer facing industries, responsiveness isn't just important, it's everything. But with lean teams, it's easy to miss calls, delay responses, or even leave customers hanging after hours. When that happens, customer frustration builds and opportunities are lost. That's where Zoom Virtual Agent Concierge comes in. We're going to walk you through a quick setup and then through a real life customer example. We'll be setting up the concierge for our store, Amzo Hardware. We want to be able to provide an excellent experience for customers where they can ask questions, search inventory, and even schedule a time to pick up tool rentals at any time of the day or night. Let's build our Zoom Virtual Agent Concierge. We will use one of our templates, this one for retail, to get a quick start. Now in the wizard, I'm going to make just a few changes to customize it for Amzo Hardware. I'll adjust the personality, provide some details on the environment, and set up the goals for the agent. Next, we'll customize our greeting, and then we'll move on to choose one of the different voices and languages. Now we'll add two knowledge library items, one that is an FAQ about the store, and another which includes our store inventory. Now, skills are tasks that the agent can perform which are beyond those knowledge library items. We'll remove the extra skills we don't need and add the two that we do. The first is for scheduling tool rentals. Enter in the name, describe what would trigger this skill, then we will use a slash command to choose the built-in tool appointment scheduling and simply paste in the URL from the Zoom scheduler that we set up. Next is a skill to transfer to the Zoom phone call queue for customer service. We'll add a new skill, a description of what will cause it to trigger, then use a slash command to choose Zoom phone routing and select our call queue. Hit create and then publish, and it's ready to go. Now moving over to Zoom Phone, we will go to our new Virtual Agent tab under Auto-Receptionist. Click Add, choose our site, add a name, and select the new virtual agent we just created. Inside the Auto-Receptionist settings, we have similar options to our regular Auto-Receptionist, but let's just add a phone number so we can get to testing. All right, now let's walk through how Amzo Hardware Store uses this Zoom Virtual Agent Concierge to handle customer needs from start to finish. Our customer calls in late in the evening after the store is closed. They're in the middle of a do-it-yourself project and need to know if a specific drill is in stock. Now, instead of going to voicemail, the call is answered by our virtual agent, and it tells them that not only is the drill in stock, but also what aisle it's on. Then the customer switches gears and wants to rent a tile saw. The virtual agent asks some questions, walks them through pricing and availability, then books the rental appointment. All of this is done without human interaction, and everything is confirmed immediately. Let's go ahead and place a test call so you can hear this live.
Hi, thank you for calling Amzo Hardware. I'm your assistant, Aaron. How can I help you today?
Yeah, Aaron, when are you open tomorrow?
Our store hours for tomorrow are 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Is there something specific you're looking for that I can help with?
Yeah, I want to see if you have the Amzo half-inch hammer drill in stock.
Let me check if we have the OMSO half-inch hammer drill in stock for you. Yes, we have the Amzo half-inch hammer drill in stock. We currently have 10 units available. You can find it in aisle 24, bay 2. It's the 24-volt model. Would you like me to help you with anything else about this drill?
Nah, but I want to see if you have any tile saws that I can rent.
Let me check our rental inventory for tile saws. Yes, we have several tile saws available for rent. 7-inch wet tile saw at $70 per rental. 10-inch wet tile saw at $85 per rental. 14-inch ceramic and porcelain cutter.
Yeah, let's do the 7-inch wet tile saw. And is there a way I can pick it up tomorrow morning?
The 7-inch wet tile saw is available for $70 per rental. Our minimum rental period is 1 day. I'd be happy to schedule a pickup time for tomorrow morning. What time would work best for you to come in?
7:30, whatever you got available.
I can schedule you for tomorrow, Wednesday, August 27th at 7:30 a.m. Does that time work for you to pick up the 7-inch wet tile saw?
Yes.
Great. I'll schedule your 7-inch wet tile saw rental pickup for Wednesday, August 27th at 7:30 a.m. To complete your reservation, I'll need some information from you. Could you please provide your first name?
Yeah, it's Ben.
Thanks, Ben. Could you please provide your last name as well?
It's Williams.
Thank you, Ben Williams. And finally, could you please provide your email address so we can send you a confirmation?
Ben@zoomineer.com.
Thank you. Let me confirm your information. Name, Ben Williams. Email, ben@zoomineer.com. That's ben@zoomineer.com. Pickup time, Wednesday, August 27th at 7:30 a.m. for the 7-inch wet tile saw. Is all of this information correct?
Yes, it is.
Perfect. I've scheduled your 7-inch wet tile saw rental pickup for Wednesday, August 27th at 7:30 a.m. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly with all the details. If you need to reschedule or cancel, you can do so directly from.
And just like that, Ben knows the drill is in stock and has a tile cutter ready to pick up tomorrow. What's great about this is it all happened after hours. Now, Amzo Hardware was able to meet, if not exceed, customer expectations without tying up staff.